distance, the delta, pretty much from S pipe to probably 3 inches or 2.5 inches over that 5-inch pipe there. And I'll cut some flex, put it there, clamp it down, and we should be good to go with that. And then next will be, like I said, draining fluids, changing hoses, greasing it up, doing some minor body work to the sides and the back. And I might have time to put an overall paint job on it. Maybe. We'll see. I think I will. But patch these holes, get all cleaned up, ready to go. Sand on a rusted spot for that tank. Put some JB Weld on it, call it a day. Or I'll just buy 2 new tanks and replace them. Ain't nothing to it. So that's all we have. Got my little table set up right here as well. And then Pete, Skid, and all this other stuff. And this guy over here, I don't know what he got going on, but you know, he haven't even put his Dickies fit on, so he ain't do no work today. He a new guy. To God be the glory. So until next time, people. Keep it on. Just knocked out some body work. I'm gonna hand sand it tomorrow, block sand it, catch that low spot right there. And I'll sand this tomorrow, and I'll apply my fiberglass filler on this tomorrow as well. So sand, knock that out. Sand this tomorrow. And the top. So stay tuned. Taking it one day at a time, people. Stay blessed. And just like that, I gotta do a little bit more body work. Just blocking on this side, the back, on both sides, and over here as well. Since I took off those, sleeper extensions or whatever you want to call them, and then prime it and, just get it roll ready, and about to start getting back into it and hauling material. So, bridge pile, precast pieces, stuff like that. Also, I got another one over here. I ain't gonna show y'all too much of that one, but I got another one sitting over there. Start on, but yeah, just one day at a time, waiting for some pieces to come in for the exhaust as well. And we're gonna keep getting it.